So, good afternoon, class 6 children. Today, chapter number 14, we are going to continue. And in this chapter, today we'll read the topic water cycle. Already, I think you have read about this topic in your lower classes, but in small bit elaboration, we are going to read this chapter, this part of the chapter that is a water cycle. So, children, already yesterday we have read that about two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered with the water, and most of this water is present in the ocean, seas, lakes, seas, etc. And that water is not suitable for drinking. We can't drink that water, and even we can't use that water for agriculture to or any of the domestic or industrial purposes. We are not using that water. So it's a say that water everywhere but no water to drink. So काफी हद तक ये ठीक भी है that there is a water, too much of the water around us, but we are not using that water. So there is a lack of water for drinking for domestic purposes. Okay. So today we are going to study that oceans play an important role. In this paragraph, you may see that it's written, ocean play an important role in supplying water that we use. So can you tell me, it's very surprising that how oceans are going to help us in supplying of the water. Yes, Harsh, you have raised hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ocean help us because, ma'am,
Yes.
the water cycle is done. Ma'am, the process of evaporation through which we get water, ma'am, by raining.
Yes. So the ocean water gets evaporated and then the rain takes place, means that helps in the water cycle. So again, it's very, very important that oceans play an important role in supplying of the water. So in this way, by the process of water cycle, they are helping us. Okay. Next, let's start with the water cycle. Before starting the water cycle, I just want to ask one of the question. If water is there after the rain on the roads or on the this and water, if it flow that spills on the floor, after some time it dries, you must have seen how that can be happen.
Ma'am, it evaporates in atmosphere.
Okay, in the
Ma'am,
atmosphere even.
ma'am,
Yes,
because of sunlight.
because of sunlight. Very good. So before moving further, there is a very interesting question and I want each one of you to mark this question. Already the question has been framed for you. How many times you have noticed that water spilled on the floor dries up after some time? So many times we have seen if the water spills on the floor, it dries very quickly. So where the water goes, the water dries up quickly because of the evaporation. The evaporation takes place all the time. All the time the evaporation is going to be take place. Even you have seen water from the wet roads, rooftops and many other places disappear very soon after the rain. If there is a heavy rainfall, even then after some time the water gets uh, evaporated, the rains or the roads that becomes very, very clear. So you may write down the answers for this question that water is evaporated and we have seen so many times. Even the clothes, your mom washes the clothes and she puts in the outside and after some time we have seen that clothes get dry. How that clothes get dry? Again,
Because sun heat.
because of the
Because the sunlight goes on the wet
yes.
clothes
Again, the
and
same thing is here. Yes,
yes, ma'am,
evaporation.
the process of evaporation is done in
Evaporation.
this
Yes, very
situation.
good, very good. Again, the same concept is going on. That is by the process of evaporation that clothes get dry. Okay, very good. So next is, let's read this concept. Okay, Harsh, read the first paragraph. Disappearing trick of water. So children, I want each one of you to
Okay, ma'am.
frame this one extra question. Start.
How many times have you noticed that water spilled on a floor dries up after some time? The water seems to disappear. Similarly, water disappears from the wet clothes as they dry up. Water from wet roads, rooftops, and a few other places also disappears after the rains. Where does this water go? Do
Yes.
you remember
Okay, next
activity
is
6?
next Arav Sharma. Second paragraph, Arav. Unmute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Do you remember activity 6 in chapter 5, in which water with salt dissolved in it was heated? What did we find? The water evaporated and the salt was left behind. This activity gives us an idea that on heating, what changes into its vapor. We also release from this activity that water vapor does not carry away the salt with it. Water vapors so form become a part of our air and cannot usually be seen. We also found that heating is essential.
Essential to convert water into vapors. However, we have seen that water changes into the water vapors after also from the field, roads, rooftops, and other
And other
areas.
areas.
Yes.
We also discussed in chapter 5 that to obtain salt water from the sea is left in shallow pits to let the water evaporate. From where does the water get the heat it need to evaporate? Let us find out.
Okay, children, I want each one of you to frame one more extra question. How salt is obtained? And the answer is there: to obtain salt water from the sea is left in the shallow pit to let the water evaporate. So you may find out or you may take the answer which is highlighted. So one question already we have done, that where that water goes from the roads and all that. And second thing we are going to here do is that how salt is obtained. Got it, everyone? This is one more extra question. I hope we have read in the chapter number 5, separation of our substances. There was a process of evaporation, and the complete explanation was there that how we obtained salt from the water. Water gets evaporated, but it does not carry salt with it. That's why the salt is left behind and water is evaporated. Got it, children? Done? Is that clear? Done two of the questions? I hope you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
understood this concept that water gets evaporated and only the salt is left behind. So children, we have done two things today, the water cycle and these two questions. So I want each one of you to kindly do this work, and I will be sharing with you the diagram of water cycle, and you may draw on the left page. Children, whenever you will be drawing the diagram is there in your book even, but labeling is not there. So I want each one of you to label it. Kindly label this diagram. Okay, label this diagram.
मैम
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मैम चैप्टर 14 के वर्ड मीनिंग करने हैं?
Why not to do? Who told you not to do? Always we are doing the word meanings first of all, then we are starting the chapter. Already we have done, and even the worksheet has been shared with it.
Activity 2. Take two similar plates. Place one of the plates in sunlight and keep the other under shade. Now pour equal amount of water in each of the plates. You can use a cap of a bottle to measure water. Make sure that water does not spill over. Observe the two plates after every 15 minutes. Does the water seems to disappear? Which plate does it disappear first? What is the source of heat for this evaporation?
Okay, can I have
During
the answer? Okay, thank you. Can I have the answer for this question? Does the water seem to disappear? First of all, tell me the answer of this question. Whenever you have kept the plates outside, the water is getting, are we getting the water which is getting disappear or not?
or not, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Charvi, tell me. The water is evaporated or not?
Ma'am, the water is evaporated.
Yes. And from which plate does it disappear first? Which is kept in the sun or which is kept under the shade?
Ma'am, which is kept
Which is
under the
kept
sun.
in the sun.
Yes,
The sun.
the plate which is kept in the sun, the water will be disappear first from that plate because of the heat of the sun. Because of the heat of the sun. Okay. Next continue. Chirag, continue with the second paragraph. During the daytime.
Okay, ma'am. During the daytime, sunlight falls on the water in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds. The fields
The
and
fields,
other
beta, the fields and
Yes,
other
and-
land areas also receive sunlight. As a result, continue.
as a result, water from all these places
Continuously
continue
changes into vapor.
to vapors. However,
The salts
the
dissolved in the water are left behind. Okay, let's continue with the next activity. Yes, Aditya. Continue reading. In activity 2, what we need to do.
Okay, ma'am. Takes what we need to do. In activity 2, did you find that water it also disappeared from the plate kept in the shade through it would have taken more time? Does the heat from the sunlight reach here? Yes, during the daytime, all the air surrounding us gets heated. This warm air provides heat for evaporation of water in the shade. Thus, evaporation takes place from all open surfaces of water. As a result, water vapor gets continuously added to air. However, evaporation of water is a slow process. That is why we rarely notice its loss from a bucket full of water. In sunlight, evaporation takes place faster. On heating water on a burner, its evaporation takes place even faster. Is there any other process through which water vapor gets transferred into air?
Okay, children, thank you. So, beta, I hope this concept is totally clear to you. The water kept in the bucket also gets evaporated. But that process is very, very slow process. So we are not able to notice it. And if you keep water in the frying pan on the gas and you just switch on the gas, what happens? The water gets evaporated even at the faster rate. You must be making tea. Okay. So how you can prepare? First of all, you have to evaporate. When the boiling of water starts, it means the water gets evaporated when the that gas burner is on. That is more speed up reaction. Very soon the water changes into the water vapors on heating. So children, this is the process and this is the activity that we had kept two plates. One plate is kept directly in the sunlight and second plate is kept in shade. The evaporation is taking place in both the plates. But what is the difference? The difference is that the plate which is kept in the sunlight, the evaporation is more in that plate. Okay. as compared to the plate which is kept in the shade. Yes, Harsh, want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the process of evaporation also held in the plants. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
By
this
the
process is
process.
known as loss of water or ma'am transpiration.
Transpiration, very good. So here in the last, the question has been asked that is there any process by which the loss of water takes place? Yes, the loss of water takes place in the plants by the process of transpiration. So you may write down this process also. So children, till here, rest part of the chapter we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, now I will be sharing, and today's your work is to draw the diagram of water cycle, and second you have to do 2 questions, extra question in the notebook. Okay.